me. I'm back. On this channel, I'm still alive. I upload every day on my main channel. And sometimes that gets to be a little too much for me to handle. Shh. It's okay. I'm here now. And I'm gonna be making more videos. Let's get started. So today, I have a ton of bags and boxes and stuff that I bought the past few weeks. I was gonna do this video a while ago and... that didn't happen, but it's happening now. So you guys can see all the stuff I bought. All the stuff I bought for Black Friday, which wasn't very many things. And I have a mystery box from Poshmark that I'm gonna open today. So here is the mystery box. And they wrapped up a ton of presents. And I love presents. So we are going to open these. I'm gonna be giving away most of these. So this isn't just any giveaway. This is a luxury giveaway. I'm gonna open this one first. So if you guys didn't already know, Poshmark is an app where you can buy and sell clothes, shoes, handbags. It's literally the easiest way to buy and sell your stuff. Ooh, what's this? It's Burberry. Oh no! Yeah, I want to see that. Burberry Beauty. Ooh, is this a Burberry bag? Cute. So it's a Burberry makeup bag. This is really nice. It's red and it's got the check. And of course you gotta have the makeup with it. We got some Burberry mascara, lip velvet, and a glow stick. So this is gonna be one of the things I'm giving away, or maybe I'll keep it. I like the feel of this. So if you guys want to do the giveaway, the link is in the description below to download the Poshmark app. My store name is Little Leah, just like my YouTube. I'm surprised it wasn't taken. Does that mean I'm irrelevant? So the things I'm giving away are going to be listed in my store for $1 million. And then in a few days, I'll bring the price down to 0. So whoever can buy it first gets it for free. So all you gotta do is pay $3 for shipping, which is a steal. Sunglasses, they're Fendi sunglasses. Oh my god. I love these. Man, Gucci, who? Cute. They come with the official Fendi dust cloth. But are they real though? Hell yeah. That's like a huge thing for me when I'm shopping for stuff online. Cause ain't nobody wanna buy a fake. But you could trust Poshmark because when you buy a luxury item that's $500 or more, it gets sent to Poshmark HQ first for authentication. So they got a team of luxury experts that'll inspect the item by checking logos, tags, material, hardware, all that good stuff. And all those items are covered under Posh Protect. So if you don't get what you think you're gonna get, they will refund you. And I love that cause honey, ain't nobody got time for fakes. I stabbed myself in the boob. Man, that corner, it got me good. So make sure you follow my store on Poshmark and like or heart all the items that I have listed, and you will get notified when the price drops so you can buy them for free. Ugh. Can I get a big fat Roblox? Oof. Whoa! We got some spicy Steve Madden shoes right here. So these are size 6.5. They too small for me. Oof. Very cute. You know, perfect for going to the club, or picking your kids up from soccer practice, or going to your third husband's funeral. Okay, last one. Ooh, fancy. We got a Louie Vuitton bag here. Oh my god, this is so cute. And the dummy leather. Ooh, we fancy now. This is super cute. It's got the Posh authentication card. Super cute. So again, if you guys want to be entered in the giveaway, make sure you download the Poshmark app, follow my store, Little Leah, and heart or like all the items. So then you'll be notified in the next 2 days when I drop that price to 0. Okay, so the next thing, I kind of splurged. This is the first time I got not only 1, but 2. Double Gucci from the Gucci store. Wow. Girl got that AdSense money. You know what to do. Alright, so this first one, I have wanted this for a long ass time and they never ever had my size. So it comes in this little box. So it's like, I know everybody got this. Everybody got this Gucci belt. It's just the basic one and I want to swap out my belt right now because I like that one and I wanted to wear it for the video, but I also wanted to show it off for the video. Be gone with this. So I have another Gucci belt, but you can't wear it on your waist and I had to go get it like custom holes made into it. But this one, you can buy it like really small. This is the smallest size they have. I believe it's a 65, yes. So like for the past year, I've been going to Gucci stores all around the country asking for this this size and nobody had it. Until one in my hometown had it. And now I feel complete. So I really like this, especially since I started wearing jeans more. I know it's like the basic one. Everybody on Instagram's got one. But you gotta admit, it's pretty cute. I love anything like black and gold. So your girl just had to. Plus I have another Gucci belt that's like really small with like the pearls on it. And I felt like it was too small. So if y'all think this one's bam in your face, they make one that's like double the size of this, which is like literally the size of this box right here. So if you want extra, honey, you can have it. Okay, this next one, I will admit, is pretty stupid, but we're all human. Sometimes we do stupid things, all right? Stupid things to make us happy. Just looking at this, I'm like, ugh. I can't believe I really did this. Cause like for the past few months, no, I think it's been over a year now, I've been looking at these sunglasses, not the specific pair. I always looked at the black ones. I always went in and tried them on like 50 times. And I'm like, do I really want to spend this much money on sunglasses? And my friend who encourages this bad behavior was like, yes, why not? Because it's not her money, but you know what? She always encouraged me to buy whatever. So I went for it. I never cared for these until I tried them on. And you guys have probably seen these on my main channel because I absolutely could not wait. I really wanted to wear them. So here they are. I love them. Honestly, I would have never bought these until I tried them on. And I'm like, oh my God, these look amazing. Or maybe they look amazing because they have like a rose colored filter. So I see everything filtered and everything looks 10 times more beautiful than it actually is. So these are the ones that have the heart Swarovskis all over them. And of course, it's got the big old Gucci logo on the sides. I just really love the shape. Like it's oversized. It doesn't cover my eyebrows. It fits real nice on my face. It doesn't hurt my head. My scalp is very sensitive, okay? It makes the ugly world a little prettier. Do I regret it? A little bit. Okay, so I got this today. Today is Black Friday. Okay, so I went to Saks and I didn't know how expensive this was. Alright, so I got something from Jo Malone. If you guys aren't familiar with Jo Malone, they make candles, perfume, whatever. I got this perfume. Oh my lord. Okay, first of all, can we talk about how garbage this girl packaged this? And then she put it in a bag where it could have just like dropped and like fell out. So usually they don't package it this horribly, but the girl was like in a rush. She was helping somebody else and she just packaged like two $150 colognes, by the way. This was $300 and she's gonna package it like this. It's like the other times I've bought things from them, they package everything individually and beautifully and they tie it in a bow, wrap it up for you. But this is just a mess. I got a magazine in the mail the other day and it was for this perfume. This one is a limited edition Orange Bitters cologne. And this is the most godly scent I have ever smelled in my life. You know those like pages in a magazine where you lift it and then sniff? So I rub it on my hand and I was sniffing it all day. I still have it here. Oh God. I don't know, man. This is just intoxicating. The scent, when you first spray it, it smells like oranges. And then when you leave it for a while, it just changes and it's hard to describe. It's just, I'm so in love with this. And the other one I got is called Honeysuckle and Ivana. And this was kind of an impulse buy. It was just the first one there and I smelled it. I love the smell of honeysuckle. Delicious. I love how this smells. And I was just like, okay, you know what? I'll just get both of them. Being the baller that I am. But they had this promo for Black Friday where you get a gift card. So with these, I got a $75 gift card. So I guess that's pretty good. Okay, so I'm excited to open this. I've been keeping this in the bag because I wanted to show it for the video before I unboxed it. So I was bored one day. I was like, I want new shoes. Specifically Uggs because it's getting very cold. Guess what your girl got? Not Uggs. I tried on like 50 pairs of Uggs and I just didn't like them. So these are by a brand called Gianni Beanie. I don't know the brand, but I was in love with these shoes. Oh, I die every time I look at them and they're just so sparkly. There comes a time in every woman's life where she becomes addicted to sparkly things. It smells like a new car. I mean, when I look at these up close, they kind of look pretty bad quality, honestly, but like from far away from the camera, oh God, look at that sparkle. Amazing. I'm in love with these. Your girl can't wait to go to Vegas and wear these. They're perfect. The next thing I got are, dun 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 dun. This gave me the black ones? I told him not once, not twice, 3 times. I was like, I don't want the black ones. I want the fur ones. I can't wear the regular regular ones. They hurt my feet. But I thought I was getting the fur ones. I am so livid right now. Okay, I'm returning these. Ugh, thank you for the hassle. Like, I was supposed to show you Tom's, the very soft velvet ones with fur on the inside. But now we just got the plain basic black ones. This is boring. I'm trying to make quality content here. And we got these. I've never been more disappointed. How could he do me like that? So I went to Target for Black Friday. I already took one of the fuzzy socks off. I am obsessed with fuzzy socks when it gets cold outside. I always have to be wearing them in the house because it's just way too cold right now. I'm wearing kitty ones and I got these socks too. I swear all I got was socks for Black Friday because I love socks. Only when it's cold. Otherwise I hate socks. And I got this belt. Ooh, this is pretty. I love this. It's almost as fancy as my Gucci belt. So this is a belt, and it's got a little pouch on it. It's detachable, so is the chain. You guys can't even see it. So this is it. This was $17. I really love the little pouch, but what could you put in it besides cash? I don't even think you could fit your credit or debit card in this. Definitely not fit a phone in it. I love the idea of this. I just wish this was a little more practical. Just so like this would be bomb at a concert. Like wear this with a dress or something and just have a little pouch. But you can only fit cash in it. You can't even put your ID. How will you buy drinks? Get your sugar daddy to buy it for you. Duh. Okay, I gotta stop throwing things because I'm making a mess here. Next up, I splurged on this. So this was from 7 for All Mankind. This is the first time I ever bought anything from there. Okay, so my friend wanted this fancy shirt from there. And I don't think she had enough money. I was like, okay, it's cute. I love it. I'll buy it for you. And her shirt was $200. And I'm like, oh, for a t-shirt? I'm like, I ain't never bought a t-shirt for $200. I digress. And then there was a deal. It was like, if you spend $300, you get $100 off. So I'm like, okay, might as well buy something for $100 so I can get it for free. So technically I got this for free. I love it. The quality is amazing. Is it something I would usually wear? Probably not. But this is what it looks like on. We gotta swap out the sunglasses, but wow, I am in love with this shirt. It has these really long ties, so I don't know, you can wear it like a lot of different ways, or you can just like tie it here, crisscross wrap it around, but it's like, damn, it's hella cute. And it just feels so nice. Like this is a $120 shirt right here. I usually don't splurge on clothes unless it's something big like a hoodie or a jacket, but this, I'm just living for this. Like it just fits so nice. Next up is my Forever 21 haul that I really don't want to try on. Oh my god, this is the first video I've filmed and it's already 3. So this dress, you'll probably see it on my Instagram because I love it and it looks so good. It's just so flattering. It's soft as hell and it ties at the waist. Love it. It's kind of like this. It's like a deep V thing and it's long sleeves. It's very long, but it has a slit. Your girl loves that. I don't know why. Lately I've been loving like long dresses. I've been buying them, but I haven't worn any of them yet. That's a stupid habit of mine. I always buy clothes and I never wear. I just love buying them. I love it when they just sit in my closet and do nothing. Here's a dress I got from Forever 21. This was like $12. It's very sparkly, shimmery, you know, like very Barbie, let's go party. More like Barbie, let's go get wasted. Because it's really short. Again, y'all want to see what it looks like? Follow me on Instagram at @SSSniperWolf. Okay, this is my favorite. Every time I go to Forever 21, I look at this sweater and I'm like, ugh, I should buy it. I'm gonna buy it. I love this material. Can you guys see this material? I don't know what it's called, but I am in love with this. So it's just like a very nice warm turtleneck and I don't know why I love the color, like dark brown. It's a bear mood. And I don't know, it's just, it's so warm, it's so cozy. I'm like, I need a cozy sweater because I don't have very many that are very soft and really warm. And it's getting pretty cold here at night, so your girl needs something like this. And I don't like layering. I want to wear 1 layer or 2 at most, and that's it. Like, I don't like wearing jackets. They're heavy and I can't walk in them. I like wearing 1 with like leggings. Just this, so cute. Is that it? That's it. No. So soon? JK, it's been like an hour. This on me? Okay, I've made a mess and now I must repent for my sins. So yeah, make sure you click the link in the description below. Download the Poshmark app. Follow my store, Little Leah. Heart the items in my store, and in the next few days, the price will drop to 0. So make sure you snatch it real quick. Quicker than I can snatch this weave. Just kidding, it's all my hair. So make sure you hit that like button in the face. And comment below, which one of these things would you wear? And what kind of videos y'all want to see me do? And make sure you subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.